Hi friends, this is Squadron Leader Jaisimha, the President World Memory Sports Council for India. Absent-mindedness. How many things you are able to remember and how many things you are forgetting. The biggest problem that we are facing, and we generally call them as an absent-minded professor. A professor is able to guide his students on research, PhD. He can remember facts and figures, but he had forgotten to wear his pant. Like that, most of us, we keep forgetting things in a day-to-day life. Guess what? 75% people today in the whole world are not suffering from corona or COVID-19. They're all suffering from absent-mindedness, dementia or forgetfulness. And if you are having such kind of problem, then what? For example, are you forgetting where you kept your watch or where you placed your mobile and you need to give a missed call to find out where your mobile is? Or sometimes you are not able to find your spectacles, though they are there, but you are not even remembering where you kept them, or you are forgetting where you kept your pen. Or sometimes you keep milk on the stove and forgetting. Or sometimes you come out of the car after putting in the parking place. Again you have a doubt whether did you lock that car or not. Any problem of that kind, okay, including leaving your keys, any such problem. So what to do? One quick tip I want to share with all of you today. One quick tip is that you follow the basic rule. One item at one place, one item. Simple. One item at one place. At one place, one item. The problem with all of us is when we go out of the house, when we come into the house, in day-to-day life, what are the things that we carry? We have got a watch, we got a pen, we'll have a wallet, we'll have our spectacles, we'll have our car or bike keys, we'll have our kerchief, and we'll have few things, right? And if you can find one place for that item, and at one place you can keep one item, or one item at one place we can keep that, then there's no way you will forget, because it goes into your DNA that you want to find your pen. You know exactly the pen is there in the shelf, your watch is in the drawer, and then your mobile is put to the charging on the teapot. You know exactly. The problem is we live in disciplined life. We keep throwing items everywhere. Sometimes we sleep, right, keeping the mobile along with us and lying on the bed. Sometimes we carry a newspaper into the washroom, and sometimes we enter the washroom holding our bike or car keys and we leave them there. Next time you are searching and you are not able to find. So what we should do, when you enter your house, make sure that you leave your shoes or chappal in the shoe stand. You have your bike or car keys, you are going to keep in the key bunch. You have your pen or your watch, you are going to keep them in the drawer. You got a spectacles, you are going to keep on the shelf above the television. You have your mobile, you are going to put it to the charger on the teapot. You have a helmet at one place. Like that, you must make sure that one item is kept in one place, and at one place one item is there. It will take 1 week or 2 weeks to get used to it. But the thing is, you keep one item at particular place or at any place, same time it will take. But if you keep that item at one place, a particular place, very easy it will be to retrieve, and everybody in the family, they would know that your wallet, where is it, and your pen, where it could be, and then your watch, where it will be kept there. Everybody will know. It's a small little discipline that you as an adult, you as a parent, you as a professional, you have to teach to your children, so that this becomes a part of your life. And this one simple tip, and then you want to learn many more things. Sir, I keep forgetting many more things. What to do? If you got that problem, then you know Jaisimha Mind Education, the one-stop solution for any memory related problem. Whether you are not able to remember names and faces, you are not able to remember facts and figures, and then you are not able to remember what you read, and sometimes you have got this absent-mindedness, or you want to erase any such kind of bad memories. So you need to call up these numbers, or you can visit our website jaisimha.in, or you can mail me on this number, on this email ID. I'll be more than willing to help you. So whether you are a child or an adult, doesn't really matter. Every one of us need to have good memory, and then this memory is what is going to take us long way in life. And you have such kind of problem, we'll be more than happy to help you. So have wonderful memory, and then keep celebrating life, and we shall meet up anytime when you want. I'll be there to help you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.